Your business is one click away from a cybersecurity disaster. Are your employees prepared? You can invest in the best firewalls, top-tier security systems, and locked-down networks, but if your team clicks the wrong links or reuses a weak password, it all falls apart. In South Africa, 40% of data breaches stem from simple employee mistakes, not malicious insiders, just untrained staff unaware of the risks. And Gen Z is twice as likely as boomers to fall victim to cyber threats. Phishing emails, public Wi-Fi logins, fake invoices, these aren't rare. They happen every day. And with over 1,400 cyber attacks targeting SA businesses weekly, no industry is immune. But that's where Daisy Business Solutions steps in. We combine real-time threat monitoring, employee cybersecurity training, and compliance support, so your people become your strongest defense. Don't wait for a breach to expose your weakest link. Search for Daisy Business Solutions today.